One of the most destructive energies during this time is envy. Envy is a widespread of massive scale. Everywhere, every second, envy of something or someone. Especially in the beautiful and vibrant life in the media and social networks. We can see Instagram, we can see TikTok, we can see Facebook and other social media platforms is indicted with pretentious pictures and videos. Beautiful and successful people are smiling at us from all sides of screens and posters. And the gray, everyday life in an old apartment with a standard interior is so far from ideal, and a subway or bus is far similar to its own Bentley. We should always remember, each thought has its own sphere, as well as aura of its own radiations it emits. A thought, especially in a low vibration, is instantly attracted to the object of its attention, and a dark, overhanging lump, which appears vaguely resemblance as a sea spiny urchin, as it pulsates around the selected object, thereby is trying to destroy the aura and invade the subtle